everyone! Today I will show you one beauty needles quilting and embroidery machine, which is suitable for garment, quilts, comforters, furniture upholstery, and automotive interiors. Well, let's see how it works.
Max speed 850 RPM, working speed 550 to 750 RPM. Double rollers working for 2 pieces, 1.8 meter wide fabric, a laser quilting and embroidery, high efficiency and accuracy. Double needles quilting height with maximum needles distance 50.8 mm. Double needles independent control or manual control. Free activating or locking. Height interval selection functions is adaptable to the production requirement and complicated or combined patterns production. Japan Koban jumbo rotary hook bobbin capacity is 2.2 times of the normal one. Reduce the bobbin changing frequency and improve the production efficiency. Automatic thread breakage detection. Reduce the worker's tension and working downtime. Improve the working efficiency. Main shaft and XY are full servo driving system, matching the high-quality pattern stitching. Richpeace professional embroidery and quilting pattern design software. Free designs and easy to learn.
Here is Richpeace home textile equipment factory. Follow us to learn more bedding solutions.